Hey everyone, it's science time. This week we're continuing our lessons on the biomes of the world, and this week's biome is going to be on the rainforest. So after we talk about the rainforest and you make your rainforest habitat scene, we can go to this webpage called Ducksters, and I'm gonna have it linked in your lesson plan, and you guys can go and read about rainforest. And then down here at the very bottom, all right, first let me give you a little quick overview of where they are. But here's a map. You'll see the map right here. I want you to pay attention to the map of where the rainforests are. And then I'm just gonna let you guys read that. But down here at the very bottom, if you look right here where I'm pointing, where it says quizzes, there's a quick little fun online quiz you could take just to test your knowledge on rainforests. But that's going to be after you watch this video and we discuss a little bit more about the rainforest. You can, with your parent, read that article on the rainforest and take the quiz. But rainforests of the world are exactly what they sound like. They are forests that rain a lot. And the reason for that is because they are a very warm, humid climate. And you can find rainforests all around the world, basically we're around the equator. Any place that's near the equator of the earth, which the equator is just an invisible line that basically splits the earth in half around it. And anything near the equator is going to be warm and tropical. So that is why it rains a lot. It's just humid and warm. And some interesting facts right here. Tropical rainforests cover just 7% of the Earth's land, yet contain over half the world's species. Think about that. Why is it so important that we do not cut down all the rainforests for land? Because right there, it contains over half the world's species. Not only that, there's been medicines been found in the plants there that are in the rainforest, and they're always discovering new species even today in the rainforest, or even right now, because it's so dense and so many creatures there. There's different layers to the rainforest. So we have the very top part, these little parts that shoot way up high, they're the emergence. They're like the top of the high trees. They're above everything else. But where a lot of life is these tree canopies. A lot of the monkeys that you might see live up there. A lot of birds live there. Then there is the understory, which is like the smaller, shorter trees. And down here on the forest floor, so many bugs live down here in the roots, and there's lots of a thick layer of carpet of ferns down here as well. So many tropical, all the pretty tropical birds that we see, like the macaws and parrots and things, they are found naturally in the rainforest. Even plants grow on the branches of the trees. Here's some more. There's so many species of monkeys around there. Look at this one right here, a pocket-sized monkey. How cute is that? Here's the macaws I was talking about. You might have seen one macaw maybe in a bird cage around, but look at this. Could you imagine going somewhere where you just saw a whole bunch of macaws just flying around together? If you've seen the movie Rio, you can see some of the animals. Those are a great example of the Brazilian rainforest. Not only that, but there's tons of insects there. I mean, so many insects, ones that we're still discovering today that have never been seen before. And of course, when you have lots of insects, you have lots of creatures that want to eat the insects. You may have seen these if you've ever been to Discovery Place. They have a really cool habitat of poison dart frogs. And they're come in so many different colors. They're just beautiful to look at. And they're poisonous because that's their defense. If another animal tries to eat them, they are poisonous, and other animals know it because of these bright colors. Basically, a lot of things in the rainforest that are brightly colored are saying, stay away from me, don't eat me, because you will get sick. And that's their defense. So many bugs. Here's all the bugs. And they all play a huge part in the ecosystem. The leafcutter ants, butterflies, so many funky looking bugs. Look at like this one. It's a giant beetle with its neck. Like, look at that. I have a play one just like that. It's an actual real animal. It looks like it'd be a fake animal, but it's actually a real thing. The animals that are nocturnal in the rainforest, lots of bats. There's even rainforest rivers. Let's see. Did you know that there's even a river dolphin? And it doesn't look like a normal dolphin that you see. This is the Amazon river dolphin, and it has a very flexible neck, and it uses this ability to get around tree roots. I don't know, did you know that there was a such thing as a river dolphin? So interesting. So here's another one. Some examples of some, these are the Asian rainforest. These are so cute. Okay, well that's it for the rainforest there. So part of your homework, I want you to see what kind of toys you have around or draw a picture of a rainforest scene. There's lots of monkeys. I know this is like a pretend monkey, but there's lots of monkeys, the macaw, all the crazy big spiders. That looks like a tropical bird. Really, it's a Pokemon, but you know, it makes a good rainforest scene. So set up your own rainforest scene. Also, read the article that will be linked in your homework and do the little online quiz. The website is called Ducksters, and it's about rainforests. And that's it for our rainforest lesson for our science this week. You guys have a great week.